I think it's appropriate for me at this time now to terminate the Ferretta inquiry, deny your
Mr. Rojas,
request to
you have
proceed
Linda
pro se.
Williford.
I'll specifically find that the request is not a genuine attempt to present a legal defense, but a calculated strategy to obstruct and subvert the court's proceedings. The defendant's utilizing rhetoric of what would typically be called a sovereign citizen movement, including raising nonsensical challenges and attempting to apply commercial law to criminal prosecution or equitable
Good morning,
law.
ma'am. Are you
Ma'am, you keep
Linda
saying no, but you're
Williford?
talking over me and I don't
And
appreciate
Mr.
it.
Rojas,
And
will
it
your
states
client
that
waive
should
the
a
formal
man
reading of the
prove
motion?
himself to be living and not dead, nor lost of sea, his estate must be returned to him with mean profit. I am the living man that has a womb. I have accepted appointment of this office of executor. As such, this office give notice of its
taking a minute for my
authorizations and
computer to
finding.
I want to note a couple things for the record. Ms. Butler, I received a pro se
Okay, so
filing
Ms. Williford,
from
in
you
cause number
yesterday.
24, DCCR
There were some documents and
1720,
things
I
mailed
have
to
a
the court.
motion to revoke your unadjudicated
Do you recall doing
probation.
that?
It shows that you were placed
recall
on
sending this
probation
to the court?
December 3rd of
I sent it to the
2024 for the
family,
second-degree
yes.
felony
Okay, so
offense of
I
aggravated
am going to
assault
scan
with
this,
a
put it up
deadly
into your
weapon,
file.
and that
But
was
I
a
just want to note
5-year
for the
deferred
record that
probation.
we
Is
don't
that
permit what's
correct?
called hybrid representation.
It alleges that
okay?
you violated
So you
your
have counsel.
probation.
You can't also
Count
submit
one
matters on your own
alleges
behalf. Anything you
that
want to
you-
submit to the court, you have to submit through your attorney. Do you understand that?
3, 4, 7, 8. Count 3 alleges that you
Yes.
provided a urine
Did
sample.
you understand that?
August
Yes.
14th
Okay,
of
and then the matters that you
2025 that tested
submitted
positive for
aren't matters that we
tetrahydrocannabinol.
understand
Is that
in this
true
court.
or not true?
You submitted what we
True or not
refer
true?
to as pseudo-legal
Count 4
jargon or
alleges
matters
that you
that
provided
are
a urine
contractual
sample
in
September
nature
18th
and have
of
nothing at all to do with
2025
a
that also
criminal
tested
court
positive for
case. So I'll upload them into the
tetrahydrocannabinol. Is
case,
that true
but
or
I'm
not
also
true?
going to strike them from the record.
Count 7
Okay?
alleges
Just so
that you
you're aware.
failed to provide
Mail that to the
verification of
clerk.
entering
I didn't
and
know that
successfully
you-
completing the anger management program. Is that true or not
That's
true?
private that you have.
And then count 8 alleges that you are behind in your
Do you
court
have another
assessed
case
fees as
pending
of
somewhere
September
in the court
18th,
system?
2025
Other
in
than
the
this
amount
one?
of
This is just this
$688. And is that
Those
true or
those
not
were
true?
private documents. It
Did you
wasn't
enter your
for-
pleas of true to counts 3, 4, 7, and 8
Is this something you want to
freely
file
and
with the clerk?
voluntarily?
No, it
And
wasn't
did you
filing
plead
with
true
the
to those
court.
counts
No, it
because
wasn't
they're
for
actually
file with the
true?
court. It wasn't filed with.
I have here on the tablets some documents that have your signature on them that the state has
And
marked
are you trying
as
to file a
exhibit number
case or
1.
something other than
Before
in
you
this
signed
case?
these, did you go over them with
It's
Mr. Rojas?
it's referring
Do you
to
fully
this
understand?
case. Yes.
Okay.
And do you
So we'll
understand
upload them
if
into
I
the
follow
file and
this
strike them from
agreement
the
that you've
record,
made with
as
the
I
district
mentioned.
attorney, that you'll be
Let's
waiving
get
or
a
giving
trial
up
on
any right
the
to
calendar.
appeal?
Mr. Prosecutor, how many days you need to
Speak
try
up,
this
please.
case?
Judge, I believe 2.
And
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is to remain on probation, but enter and successfully complete the special needs safety program. Is that your understanding? And we've got probation here with us today, and is that the recommendation from probation as well? Okay.
All set trial by jury on
I am
August
inclined
18th
if
and
I follow this
19th.
agreement
So, Ms.
to,
Butler, I set you over for a
extend the
jury
probation
trial
by
on
some
August
amount of
18th
time,
and
just
19th,
based on
2026.
allegations,
If you fail to appear for your jury
and
trial, I'll hold it in your
time that'll be
absence,
spent
and you can be
there.
convicted even
So
if
I
you're
wanna
not
make sure there's
present.
plenty
You
of time
understand that?
after that she has still
yes.
We're adjourned.
on probation.
Can you grab the mic?
State tenors number
Before
1.
we adjourn, Your Honor, I know Ms.
It's
Butler
admitted.
wanted
Is
to make
there
a
any evidence
statement
that
if
Ms. Williford is
court
not
would
competent?
allow that.
All right, ma'am, I'm
Okay,
going to
go
find that
ahead.
you entered your pleas of true to counts 3,
How you
4, 7,
doing?
and 8
The
freely and
reason why
voluntarily.
I might have to
Find
let
sufficient evidence to find you
Mr.
guilty and
Pribble
revoke your
go because
probation,
I'm
but I'm
not
not
being
going to do
helped
that
with my
today. It looks like
case.
there's some,
There's a lot of
everybody's
violations that
willing to work
happen
with
towards
you,
me.
but I want to make sure you
There's a lot of
understand
my evidence has
that
been
we're going to
tainted,
send you to the special
and
needs
it's a
safety program
one-sided
as a condition of your
case.
probation.
There's a
I'm
lot
going
of
to
due
extend your
process
probation by 1
violations that
year,
occur,
and this
and no
is
one
going to
want to
be
listen. Everybody's
hopefully,
being selective-minded, and I just
carefully to
want
what
to
I'm
address
saying,
that to the
okay?
court. I have
Because
so
this
much
is the
evidence
second chance
that I
you're
have
being given,
presented
and there
in
will
this
not be a
court
third. So
to
you need to
show
take
you,
advantage of
to
every
prove to you,
opportunity that
show
is being given
facts,
to you.
and
You're going
also
to get
show
help
you
with
there's a
drug
lot
abuse. You're
of
going to get help with mental
concealment
health, with
within this
everything you
court.
need to be successful
So
when
I'm
you get out of
asking you,
safety.
can you
If at that point you
address
don't follow
somebody to
through and
assist
do
me
what
in
you're
that
supposed
matter?
to do, you're going to be back in
Ma'am, we
here
appointed
and
the
you're going
Porter
to be
County
looking at
Public
going to
Defender
prison
Service, I
for
believe,
up
to
to
represent
20
you. Are you in
years.
this matter
understand?
privately, Mr. Pribble?
You okay?
So we appointed the Porter County Public Defender Service to represent
Are
you,
you
ma'am.
okay?
I appoint
getting
them and then
white.
they appoint a lawyer. So you've got Mr. Pribble involved in the case. You can't pick and choose what lawyer you get when you ask the court to appoint counsel for you. You get what you get.
I get that, sir.
Okay?
But only thing reason why I ask is because I feel like I'm not being helped. I feel like I
you
can do it
seriously gonna stand
myself
here and talk
and
like that?
present this as pro se, but evidently, it's just being delayed continuously.
Well, ma'am, if you want me to do what's called a Feretta hearing and make a determination whether you can represent yourself without
You're
counsel,
on probation for
are you
second
prepared to
degree
do that?
felony.
Yes, I
An
am, sir.
aggravated
Okay,
assault
I
with
mean,
a
I can
deadly
do that
weapon.
Feretta hearing, but I'll let Mr. Pribble go for the day and I'll hold you until we're completed with the
There's
rest of
all
our
kinds
business.
of
I'm not
other
gonna
ways to deal
make all
with
these other people
issues.
wait
And there's
while I go
definitely
through a
more
Feretta
respectful
hearing with
ways to
you.
speak to the
Can I
person
come
who could
back?
put you in prison
Come
for
back
up to
when?
20 years.
What time is
I don't
it?
have to go
Around
along with this plea agreement
12:30?
right now.
Oh, no, ma'am. I don't have time at 12:30, but I have time around 11:30. Did you have a chance to review the pro se waiver rights
I'm
form I
handing you the
presented you
trial
in
court
open court?
certification that shows this was an agreement
I
that I
looked at
followed,
it
and so you've
a
waived
little
your right
bit.
to appeal.
Did you
Go back
sign
with
off
the
on
minutes.
that?
No, I did not sign off on it yet.
Okay, would you like to have more time to review it before you sign it?
Yes. Can I get the second page, please? Because I have written on the back of it.
Really?
You
I'll
have
give you
a,
all
have
the
a
minutes.
spare? Are you just gonna give me a whole new one? Can I also
Oh.
address something? You just let me know when I can.
Oh, go ahead.
When we spoke
never
earlier
know.
about the document that was submitted, I just want to inform you that
I mean,
the
you
head
use
clerk
the F
is
word and
aware of
teaches in the
it.
same sentence. I feel like that's
Since
your
May
problem.
11th, they've been working with me, providing me all the accounting. What you just gotten just now